This is the Superb Lyrebird. I really like how his head stays perfectly still when he scratches the dirt looking for grubs and small insects. Pretty cool. Saw him at the Dandenong Ranges Botanical Garden in Olinda. This is interesting. According to studies by La Trobe University, they move more soil than any other land-dwelling animal on Earth. That's pretty crazy. Keeping their head perfectly still creates a stable visual baseline, allowing them to instantly detect the slightest wiggle of a prey item in the leaf litter.